Look at this view of patient with past history of prolonged fever. Significant aortic insufficiency predicts an important pathology of aortic valve. TE view of aortic valve and aortic root. A hypermobile mass on aortic valve suggestive of vegetation. But what about without pouching in aortic root? It's an echo sign of perivalvular abscess. Perivalvular abscess is a well-known and feared complication of endocarditis. Severe aortic insufficiency is seen here. But other finding is the echo-free space in aortic root, which color flow is coming in and exiting out into the LVOT during diastole. Indeed, it's a perivalvular abscess which is fistulated in sinus of Valsalva and LVOT. Incidence of perivalvular abscess reported from 13% in clinical cases up to 30% in autopsies. This 3D view is showing an echo-free abscess-like appearance of that of pouching. Perivalvular abscess is usually associated with high mortality and morbidity and mostly needs surgical intervention. This is 3D echo of vegetation and perivalvular abscess, but echo is performing additional information that hyperechoic vegetation is suggestive of a healed vegetation, and abscess is fistulated to aorta and LVOT, so it's not too harmful to need immediate surgery.